Everybody who made time to come to Kaimosi Friends University. On behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Kaimosi Friends University, I am saying thank you. This is the second of such a training that we are hosting. The first one was hosted by the Vice Chancellor, and this one is hosted by the National Treasury. And we know that it's not the last one. We will have many more because we know that we need to onboard as many suppliers through the Better Transformation Agenda, which looks at empowering the Mwananchi, economic empowerment specifically through government businesses, where in Kenya accounts for almost 60% of the businesses of Kenya. So it is very important that you know that the opportunities are there. Lack of information should not be the reason you want to do business. Please come. For those of you who are registered on EGP, and you feel you want to do business with Kaimosi Friends University, send us your profiles plus your interest through procurement@kafu.ac.ke. We will also send out a call for pre-qualification of suppliers because, as you have seen, open tenders are open to everybody, but quotations are not open to everybody, but are open to only pre-qualified suppliers. All said and done, I have a few members of my department here. Just stand up wherever you are. Come and say hi. Stand up. Yes, one of EGP. So just a quick name, come.
Good afternoon. I'm called Cyrus Awire. I'm happy because this is also one of the presidential directives, performance contracting, that we need to build supplier capacity building. And the way my boss, Dr. Fozi, have said, we are requesting those who are registered in the EGP to provide the following document and send this information to procurement@kafu.ac.ke. These are the following: valid company certificate or registration. Then we have the ID. We have the tax compliance certificate, the PIN, AGIPO certificate, CR12, your phone number, your email, and you can also tell us the interest of the item that you need to do or to supply, but you have been told that you can actually select all the item. But because you are doing some pre-qualification, you need actually to provide which area are you interested to do or to do business with us. Then he say that those who are unable to register in EGP, there is actually a desk headed by Becky Gaira. You can just walk with your laptop, then you do what you can and be assisted. Because if you use our laptop, it will be a conflict of interest. Welcome to Kaimosi Friends University so that you can do business. Thank you.
He's one of the pioneers of EGP with Becky. So if Becky is not in, he stands in for Becky as the EGP help desk for Kaimosi Friends University and the champions of that.
Good evening. Austin Musasya. Welcome to Kaimosi University.
Good afternoon. My name is Hilary Chengenya, Junior Clerk, Procurement. Thank you for coming.
Good afternoon. Joseph Karoki here. Welcome to Kaimosi Friends University. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So on behalf of the Kaimosi Friends University Management, the Vice Chancellor, the staff and students of Kaimosi Friends University, welcome and thank you to the National Treasury team for ensuring that this is a successful event. So we'll close with a word of prayer, but before we do that, a quick applause to the National Treasury team. Makofi ya Nyayo. Makofi ya Nyayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. So